Hi guys, happy Sunday evening. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and are refreshed and ready for a new week, our last week of the quarter. All right, so very quickly, our announcements for the day. Our home page, I wanted to show you a couple things to know. A reminder, we have conferences this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you have not signed up for the conference already, it's a Sign Up Genius. I will put it on the email when I remind you to watch this video. Please make sure you're signed up for a 15-minute slot. It will not take long at all. We're just going to go over your OLS progress, your TGA submissions, and also the weekly announcements. So all those things that I have to take grades for. By the way, I haven't touched the grade book at all, the end grade. I will be doing that this week. And those are the things that I have to put in. Obviously, the OLS is already putting that in there, and you get a grade, your student gets a grade for the progress, staying up with the pacing chart. So this is the last week of this quarter. Also, the Stride interims will be closing on the 17th. So make sure that those are completed. Monday, Tuesday would be best. You do have through Wednesday, the 17th, to get those done. There's one for math and one for reading. Make sure to email me if you have any questions, but make sure those are completed before Wednesday. Our live sessions for this week are here. We do not have sessions on Wednesday afternoon. We will have our very morning sessions, but we will not have our afternoon on Wednesday, and no sessions on Thursday, no sessions on Friday, so we can get all the conferences in. There are a lot of them. Here's our 2 days of book club if you'd like to join us for those. And our pacing charts, I wanted to let you know that I have put second quarter in here. You can just keep going on the first quarter one until you are done with that, and then you can download the second quarter. So this is the end of first quarter. 3 more days of our pacing chart. So if you are up to date where we are, you have 2 days where you do not have new lessons. But if you are still trying to catch up on the pacing chart and you're not quite there, make sure that you use these 2 days to get a lot of extra lessons done to try to get caught up. So there's kindergarten. And here is first grade. Let me scroll down. There's our 3 days for our first graders. So there's our pacing charts. All right. The only other things I have for you today is nothing new. Just to really make sure that you're signed up for the conferences and you've completed the Stride. Other than that, have a wonderful week, and we will talk to you in conferences on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We don't have a drawing this week. I'm very backed up on the ones that I have. I still haven't mailed like 2 weeks ago, so I'm working on those, and we'll do a drawing maybe the following. Well, not this next one, but the following. So we'll start for quarter 2. Have a great week, guys. Bye bye.